Chapter 23, Demolition of Locomotives to prevent the enemy use. General destruction of the locomotive which subject to the capture of abandonment of the combat zone will be accomplished only with the judgment of the unit of the commander concerned. Such action necessary in accordance with the orders and policy established in the Army Commander. Any general destruction of vital parts followed by the burning usually sufficient render the locomotive useless. However, the selection of the particular method of destruction depends on the facility in the hand of the existing conditions, timely, useful, and critical factor to consider. If destruction directed into the consideration must be given to selecting a point of destruction that will cause greater obstruction to the enemy movement, also preventing hazards to friendly troops and fragments ricocheting projectiles, which may occur in incidental destruction of gunfire. 2. Observance of appropriate safety when time does not permit firing of complete hand destruction. The same key part assembling on each of the locomotive abandoning will destroy to prevent possible cannibalization by the enemy. 250. Destruction of mechanical means. The use of an axe, a pick, of the mattock, sledge, or any heavy implementing smash of the vital elements such as control water, fuel pumps, air compressor, generator, switch, and traction motors. If the time permits, sufficiently heavy implementation available, smash the engine block and cylinder heads. 251. Destroying and destruction of the burning. Removing the drain plug from the fuel in the tank. Puncture the tank is necessary. Bottom of the possible. Collecting diesel fuel from the use of outlined in paragraph C below. Packaging explosive ammunition, if available, on one or about the locomotive, so it will be fully exposed to the fire. In such locations, greatest damage will be result in detonation. Pour fuel oil, preferably gasoline, over the entire length of the locomotive in ignition of the appropriate means available for the use of incendiary grenade fired with a safe distance as a burst of flamethrower combustible train is suitable length. 255. Destruction by gunfire. Fire on locomotives with the heaviest weapons available when aiming at the engine, traction motor, generator controls. Although one place with a direct hit may be equipment inoperative, several hits may be required for complete destruction of all components. 253. Destruction and demolition explosives. Place as many charges as the situation will permit, and detonate them simultaneously using a TNT block equivalent to the per charge, completely detailed using the demolition materials and method of priming and detonating found in 525. Appendix. I like that chamber.